Glasses, I can't find my glasses. Has anybody seen my glasses?
Please God, not today.
We are gathered here today with the purpose of uniting in matrimony George Esteban Garea, Benjamin Arthur Hull.
Yes!
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 Your love, your dedication, your commitment to each other are an example to be followed.
Word got out to the Archdiocese. You've all known this whole time that Ben and I have been living together.
The decision is effective immediately.
Now, we invited you all here today because, well, you're family. With my private lessons and Ben's pension, we need a place to stay.
Why are we even talking about this? I'm the only one with the extra bedroom.
No, it's not about that, Mindy. It's a Poughkeepsie.
I didn't have a very productive day.
You know my favorite story of yours?
What's the neighbors again?
No, it's your uncle.
Which one is your favorite?
Yeah, well, they're only just now deciding to have dinner. Someone's just turned up with a bloody baby.
Uncle Ben.
My friend is here. We need to work on a school presentation, and there's nowhere else for us to.
Who?
That's so gay.
He doesn't mean homosexual, Uncle Ben. He just means stupid.
Hey, can I have some private time, please?
When you live with people, you know them better than you care to.
There was a famous sip-in right here in this bar.
Oh my God, you're that guy?
Yeah, it's one of the guys.
Wow. Well, this round's on me, fellas.
You are such a liar.